But what I really want to share with you, there was one Czech girl who was
Hmm.
from Budapest, but her family was staying in Czech Republic, and she had traveled from Budapest. Now, her parents, her mom's house is in a Prague village.
Okay.
Okay. So she invited all of us. That was very gracious of her.
I know. 10 of you all. Wow.
Yeah, she invited all of us, stating that, hey, I know we are all working so much. We are really slogging. So, Saturday, it'll be very nice. It's going to be very nice breaking from the monotony. If you all want to come to my mom's house, and the food, will be preparing food, something very local. And
Oh,
it'll be
perfect.
fantastic. Yeah, it'll be fantastic that if you all can come. I'll also walk you through the mushroom picking. Mushroom picking is a big adventure there. So Saturday, Sunday, people usually go to pick mushrooms. So she's like, I'll take you for mushroom picking experience, and after that I'll take you to a village brewery, okay, and then we'll come back.
Ooh,
The village brewery,
okay.
imagine.
Yeah, tell this whole story, man. Wow.
So now we were like, yeah, let's definitely. So all of us turned up. We had to change two buses. We did that and we all reached to her place. So first we went to her home, and she treated us with a very local drink. I'm forgetting the name. It is made out of plum and
Okay.
cherries. So it's they
Alcoholic?
alcoholic. Yes,
Okay.
that's like a
Ooh,
welcome drink with plum
nice.
and
Like some kind of
cherries.
liqueur kinds.
Yeah, yeah. And they ferment and things like that. It's like a welcome drink. We have very, very different taste, yeah. And we said Nasravi and looked into each other's eyes and we gulped that. And then she had baked a sweet, which is very, very local flavor of Prague.
Mm-hmm.
And which was it just looked like kalakand, like white kalakand. So it was
Oh.
baked, but it was extremely sweet, very different. And they offered that dessert with your welcome drink.
Oh.
Something very unique about, I think, that region and that place and their culture from where she belongs. So we had that, and then we took a walk towards her mother's home. Lunch was supposed to be at her mother's home,
Hmm.
and the lunch was, you'll be amazed to know, the lunch was very, very simple lunch. Everything was locally produced because they have their
Okay.
own farms, right?
Hmm.
When I say farms, let me tell you what. So the food was mushroom soup. They grow
Okay.
mushrooms, so mushroom is right there, okay. Potato mash, they grow potato as well, so potato mash with a lot of butter, etc.
Hmm.
A little bit of rice, and then you have farm fed pork. So
Okay. Hmm.
it was a pork, made out of, I think they put the pig for a long time in the oven for 24 hours or so. It's a very special
Wow.
delicacy. It is not very simply made. A lot of planning goes into it. So that's why it's a special delicacy. You
Hmm.
give it to people, who you are inviting very graciously to your home, right? And the food was very simple, to be honest. Very
Hmm.
less oil, very less seasoning, but everything tasted so yummy because I think the freshness of the produce.
Yeah.
So wonderful.
Wow.
They have a
Hmm.
very specific Greek aperitif.
Okay.
We first try that Greek aperitif when we went to her mother's home. They gave a Greek aperitif. You first try that so that
Hmm.
it gives you, you're hungrier. We are hungry,
Nice.
you're hungrier, and then you eat the food. So it was a very lovely, very intimate food. And post that, we went for mushroom picking. So she took us to all the trails of the places they used to go as kids, and they
How
still.
was the village? Like, is it like an Indian village, the play? How does it look?
It is beautiful.
Oh.
Devti, I'll probably share some pictures as well.
You must, please do.
Then you will realize what I'm trying to say. So it's definitely lush green. There is a pond, a pond
Oh,
coming from anywhere. Everywhere you see, there is some pond is coming, and it's a squeaky clean village, right?
oh,
All the
stunning.
homes are so beautifully, I mean it's all homes, there are no flats, of course. All the
Hmm.
individual houses are so beautifully made, and all these houses have a big porch,
Oh,
a lot of love colorful flowers, and I know you love gardening,
I
right?
do, I do. I
You would
love
go
it.
crazy if you go to such village. And the roads are so nice. It's so clean. I was like, wow, this is a village. Very pretty village. So the
It's
walk
like
was
those
so
in
beautiful.
the northeast in India, we have those world's cleanest villages and all, and Meghalaya, वगैरह में.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
one of those kinds, and all winding roads and things like that. How are the mushrooms? Like big fat ones, or you'll have uh,
Different kinds of mushrooms. With the pictures that I'll share with you, and the most beautiful, colorful, catchy mushrooms are the dangerous ones. Like Kathy told us, okay, don't go by the looks. The most beautiful, colorful, and she was right. So you need to know mushroom picking is a I think a leisurely activity they indulge in big time, which means you need to know the knowledge. You need to have the knowledge
yeah,
of
yeah,
which
yeah.
mushroom to pick, which mushroom you should not even touch, right? And that has been passed from generation to generation.
Mm.
Weekend we go movie marathon or something. They do mushroom picking. And that
Mm.
was really, really very
It's so
unique.
nice.
I've never done in my life. So
Yeah,
that's
and you can get to do this only when you know a local well. Not even, just like you went for the morning walk in Varkala.
yeah,
Otherwise, I have been to Varkala as well, and I never even know of something like this. So only
yeah,
a local can, have you to experience something like this.
yeah.
Oh, wow. And that you're going to a village and you're eating home cooked food, local food over there.
Yes,
So cool. You'll never get local experiences otherwise.
yes. You will not get a local experience. And with that local experience, the beer place, the Village Brewery, was fabulous.
Ah, how was it? How was it? How different was it compared to a city brewery?
No, it is just like for them, a village brewery is just like a kirana store anywhere. It's a village brewery. Everyone is coming there and they make their own barrels of brew because they have that kind of a climate, right? So it's just like any other shop for them, but for us it's a big deal. I mean, will you get a brew in a village? You won't, right? And the
No
setting is
way.
beautiful. There is a lake in front of that brewery. So it's a beautiful, clean water lake. And just opposite to that, they have this particular, and that's the only brewery in the village. So the entire village comes there, right? So
It's a
we saw
community thingy for them.
community thing.
Wow. वहां जाके अड्डा मारेंगे वो लोग वैसा.
Atta-
For our listeners, just letting you know, adda marna is something that Bengalis love doing. Adda is just sitting in one corner and talking and talking and talking and talking.
yeah, mine
Yes.
is talking also sometimes.
Oh, that is so fun, so fun. Did you get 20 different flavors of brews there too?
There were different flavors, but not
Yeah, yeah.
20. I do remember there were all different flavors. But Kate wanted us to try very specific flavors, which she knew that we will like it. So she herself just ordered what we will really, really like. And I think I only remember it, I really liked what she ordered. The experience was surreal, Revati.
Perfect hostess.
Perfect.
How lovely, man.